Hello, how are you doing?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I am fine as well. I am from Turkey, from Istanbul.
Oh,
What
brilliant.
about you? Yes,
What's
yes,
it
yes.
like there?
Could you tell me again?
I said, what's it like there?
Oh, it's great. I am in love with Istanbul. It is too crowded. Yes, there is many problems here too, but I am really in love with Istanbul.
Oh, lovely. I have a friend
Yeah.
that moved there recently. I need to catch up with her.
Oh, did you
But I
call
think
her and did you ask her how did she find Istanbul?
not yet. She's been there for a few weeks now. She'll be there for about 3 months, but I think she's enjoying it.
Yeah, she must be enjoying now.
I think so, yeah. What is there to do there? Is there lots of activities or what is there?
Yeah, lots of activities, lots of historical places. You can do anything you want. If you are a rich guy, then it is better to live in Istanbul.
It's always better to be rich wherever you live.
Yes, it's better to be rich, but Istanbul is much better compared to other cities and compared to other countries too. You can go anywhere by train, by subway, by any
Oh, that's good.
transportation. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. I don't really like, so I'm from England,
Yeah.
and I'm not a big fan of our transportation. It's very good between cities, so I can get, well, depending on where you're going. For example, if you're going from pretty much anywhere to London, you can find cheap transportation, but sometimes like local buses can be, they're always late, for example, and they're not very frequent.
Yeah, you said between cities, but if you drive your own car in Istanbul, I think you will be late because there is too much traffic. It is good
Yeah,
to
yeah.
use public transportation. You can go, earlier than you go with your car. So it is
Yeah.
good to use public transportation here in Istanbul because there is too much traffic.
Yeah, I think that's good. I think it's good when a city has such good public transportation that you can use it. It's better for the
Yes.
city because some places say that they want you to use public transportation, but for example, in England, it's not reliable enough, and also
Mm.
public transportation, I find, is just as expensive as having my own car
Oh, yes,
because
I know some of my friends from Germany, they said the same thing. It is too
mm,
expensive to use public transportation. Actually, it was really affordable in Istanbul, but its cost increased a lot in Istanbul too. But
mm.
oil is also, expensive now.
Yeah.
So,
Well, the thing
yeah.
is that so where I am, I had a car. I sold it recently, actually, and it was
Mm,
like £30 to fill it up with petrol, and that lasts me about a month.
mm.
But if I want to get the bus, it's like £4 every day.
Oh,
So it doesn't make sense. It's you're
what's the
trying to
point? Yes.
and with a car, it's nicer because you don't have to go to a bus stop,
Mm.
know what time the bus leaves. You just leave whenever you want.
Yes, you are not going to wait. You are not going to be that. You don't need to
Yeah.
use the umbrella. So it's
Yeah.
much better to use your own car in England. But it's much
Yeah.
better to use public transportation here in Istanbul because really
Yeah.
there is too much traffic.
Yeah,
And
I wish it was like that in my country. I do wish I could use public transportation.
yes, it snowed few days ago, so many people had to stay in their cars
Oh,
for at
wow.
least half of day. They couldn't leave their car, and okay, some of people just left their car there and they
Yeah.
left the place. Other people were not able to go ahead because some people just left their car and left there and they went in their home.
Wow.
So
So it snowed a lot.
yes, actually it was really terrible days. We had
How
been really
deep was
terrible
the
days.
snow?
Hmm?
How deep was the snow?
Oh, it was not deep actually. It was just maybe 1 meter long.
That's quite a
Yes.
lot.
Yeah.
1 meter is a lot from where I'm from. We never have that much snow.
Yeah. Actually, we never have much snow too, but it snowed this year. I don't know why, but
Yeah.
we had been quite difficult days in when it snowed because we are not used to have this snow, so we were not
Mm.
ready.
Yeah, I can imagine. But did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy the change of scenery?
Yes, actually, I enjoyed the change of scenery because I was not in traffic. I was at my home. We just went out and we just had fun.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah,
But some people
that's
hadn't
when you
fun.
want the snow.
Yes,
Yeah, not
they
very fun
were
if you're
just
trapped in a car.
Yes, they were just stuck, and some people just stuck at airports. They couldn't
Oh,
leave
wow.
the country, they couldn't leave the city, and they just had to be at the airport. They couldn't even leave
Wow.
the airport.
That's bad. So your country is really not very well prepared for snow.
Yeah, it was not really prepared for snow.
No, not at all.
I've
To
seen
be
it.
fair, I thought that Istanbul was a bit warmer than my country, so I did not realize that it snowed that much.
Yeah, and I have watched your introduction. Also, I have read your introduction, and I saw that you have a snake.
Yes, a snake, my snake Bindi.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
You like it?
Yeah, absolutely. So he's a corn snake. Did you know that actually, well, in I think England at least, reptiles are very common pets.
But snakes are not, common pets in Istanbul and in Turkey. People don't like
Really?
snakes. Yeah, they just feed cats and dogs, fish, birds.
Yeah.
But I never seen a snake. But some people must have snakes. But
Yeah,
it's
of
not
course.
common in Turkey.
Snakes are actually very easy pets. So you only feed them once a week, and then you change their water every 2 days, and then you clean the tank once every 4 months. Like, they're very easy pets.
What do you give them?
Mice.
Meat? Mice.
Mice. Dead mice. You can buy them from the pet shop. Frozen.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It is strange to have a bag of frozen mice in your freezer. It is a bit strange.
Did they give you dead mice or hamster? Dead hamster.
Dead mice.
Dead mice. Oh, I didn't know that. It must be bad. How it smells? You said it's frozen?
Oh, the mice?
Yes, mice.
They don't smell of anything.
Oh.
So the mice are actually grown in a very clean environment. So they don't have any diseases on them for the snakes. So they're specifically bred to be snake food.
Oh. Is it expensive? How much does it cost?
No, what, the mice?
Yes.
It's like, I can't remember, like maybe 80p per mouse.
Oh.
It's about $1 US. But then you feed them one time a week.
Isn't it dangerous? Can it just bite you?
Oh, no, he would never.
He would never.
So corn snakes are very relaxed animals. Like, you could accidentally drop him, you could poke him in the face, and he won't bite you. The only time...
Does he know you?
I don't think so, no. Not so much, okay. No, don't have that recognition. But no, a dog, for example, is more dangerous than a corn snake.
Wow, I didn't know that. But I think dog would eat your snake, right?
Actually, I have a dog also, and I have had it before when I've had my snake out. So I've got my snake in my hands, and my dog is here, and I keep an eye because just in case. But actually, my dog is just like, pretend that doesn't exist.
But it is your snake, and if you had just a chicken, it wouldn't also try to eat too, because it's your snake, and your dog must be loyal to you. Dogs are really loyal, and if
but the snake is not hurting me.
Yes, snake is not hurting you. That's why he didn't want to touch it, because it's your snake, and the dog didn't want to touch it, right?
I think so. I think he doesn't really recognize that it is anything. He doesn't really look at it and think anything about it. It's just an object to him.
Wow. What are you doing with your snake? Why do you love it?
So I got him when I was very young, just because I wanted a pet snake. And you can take them out and you can like handle them. But actually, I think that maybe they are not always the best pets. They're not affectionate like dogs and cats are. And also, they live a very long time. So they can live up to 25 years. And they need to be in these big boxes that are about 3 foot big.
Oh, how old is he now? I wonder.
About 15.
15.
Yeah.
10 years left, maybe.
But then it's difficult because if you want to move house or move country, for example, you have this huge box to take with you with the snake in.
Yeah, but if you want to just leave your house for a few days and you are going to go to your maybe, cousin's house, what do you do?
Just leave him.
Just leave him.
It's fine for
Oh.
a few days.
Really?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
don't
yeah.
give it just snakes. You just said a week, right? You just feed him a week.
Once a week I feed him, yes.
Once a week. Oh, then it's great. You don't have to be worried about it.
The only thing is the water. So if I was to go away for more than 3 days, I would ask somebody to go to my house and change the water. That is it.
Oh, actually, I wouldn't do it if you asked me to, clean the water.
Lots of people are scared of snakes, but also lots of people that are scared of snakes and have met my snake are not scared of my snake.
Yeah, but you said it's common in England. It is not common in Turkey. So I don't think people would accept the idea.
Also, do you have dangerous snakes in Turkey?
No, we don't have dangerous
okay.
snakes
That's funny
in Turkey.
then.
Yeah. There must be in some maybe villages, but I don't think they are so dangerous.
We're running out of time.
Yes.
It was lovely to meet you.